Hello students, today I am going to summarize lesson 1. So you have already read about map, the definition of map. A map is a symbolic representation or a drawing of the earth's surface or a part of it drawn on a flat surface according to scale. Then I taught you about the types of maps on the basis of scale. So on the basis of scale, the maps are divided into two types, that is large scale maps and small scale maps. Large scale maps, the maps which show small area in great detail are called large scale maps. Then small scale maps, the maps which show large area in less detail are called as small scale maps. Then I taught you about topographical maps. Topographical maps are commonly known as a topo sheet or topo map. Topographical maps are those maps that are based on large scale. Topographical maps of India are prepared by the Department of Survey of India. Now I am going to discuss some of the fill in the blanks which is there in the interior of your lesson. First was physical maps which show physical features of the earth. So physical is the answer. The word map is derived from two words, that is mappa and mundi. Then topographical maps are large scale maps. Topographical maps show natural and man-made features. Then Claudius Ptolemy is famously known as the father of cartography. Then there are certain examples to understand RF. RF full form is representative fraction. These are the different types of scale by which we can measure the distance. Example: find out the statement scale in centimeter and kilometer when the RF of a map is 1 by 25 lakh. Now you can see the solution which I have made here. RF is 1 by 25 lakh. RF formula is distance on the map to the distance on the ground. 1 centimeter by 25 lakh centimeter, as 1 lakh centimeter is equal to 1 kilometer, so 25 lakh centimeter is equal to 25 kilometer. So here RF is 1 centimeter to 25 kilometer. Hence the statement scale is 1 centimeter to 25 kilometer or 1 centimeter raised to 25 kilometer. Now I also taught you about measuring distances. First, measuring in direct or curved distance. It can be measured by using a thread and opposometer. Opposometer is an instrument to measure curved distance. Thread is mainly used to calculate the course of a river or road. Thread is then placed on the linear scale to calculate actual distance. Opposometer, which is an instrument to measure the curved distance, has a spiked wheel with distance written on its dial. Now, conventional symbols or signs. This is a summary of that which I have already taught you. The symbols that are used all over the world on various maps to show different features are known as the conventional symbols. There are many features on the earth such as mountains, hills, valleys, seas, oceans, rivers, buildings, railway tracks, dams, forest, etc. They cannot be shown as such on a map for the lack of space. Therefore, to show these features, cartographers use certain letters, shades, colors, pictures and lines as symbols that are internationally approved. So here are certain conventional signs and symbols which you can see, which I had already taught you. So you can take a screenshot of it, and you can draw it also. At least you have to draw 20 signs and symbols, and any sign or symbol may come in your exam. You have to take a screenshot of it. I am also providing you PDF of question answer. So some fill in the blanks are also there. I am giving you the PDF of the exercise which is given in the book. So you have to do question answer and tick the correct answer yourself, so that you can also search the answers from your the video and the PDF which I had already discussed to you earlier.